science, and first we have a light, and this is just different type of mirrors, and the lights refract through the mirror and go into different shapes because of the shapes of the mirror.
There's a sixth grade science. We learn about the protons, the neutrons, and the electrons.
It's been a really fun experience getting other people interested into the same stuff that we like. This is the Earth Science table. If you are in the 8th grade advanced science track, you will take this class. We learn about a lot of things. We learn about moon cycles. We learn a lot about weather, and here we have interactive stations where you can learn.
This is TSA. This is an after-school club. You have a lot of different things you get to do. You have to compete against many different people, against all different schools. And if you go to states, you get to compete against people that have won in district.